Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Then you have to go to the fingerprint face and password section, then tap add fingerprint. Then you have to get to know with all this information, tap continue. Then you have to set up your backup lock screen method. You can use a pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16 digit password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Well, I just use 4-digit one. Then you have to enter your password. Then you have to confirm it. And then what you'll have to do is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device. And what you have to do is to just tap it with your finger several times, just like this. Then you have to tap it several more times and then tap continue. And after that, fingerprint will be added. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering PIN, with only just your fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.